The U0284 code on a RAM HD indicates a lost communication with the active air dam module, which forces the truck into limp mode. Fixing this requires replacing the active air dam motor or installing an aftermarket bypass module to restore normal engine operation. This active air dam sits right under the front bumper. Its job is to deploy at highway speeds to improve aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. The motor is completely exposed to rain, snow, road salt, and debris. Over time, moisture forces its way past the seals and destroys the internal electronics of the actuator. When the motor fails, the computer loses contact with the module and immediately triggers a check engine light. The system defaults to a safety strategy known as limp mode. You will experience severely reduced engine power, sluggish acceleration, and the transmission may refuse to shift into higher gears. The truck essentially restricts performance to prevent potential damage. Replacing the factory motor involves removing the lower air dam assembly. Unbolt the air dam from the bumper structure, disconnect the electrical harness, and remove the faulty actuator. Bolt the new motor in place, reconnect the wiring, and clear the trouble codes using a diagnostic scan tool. The truck will recognize the new module and disable limp mode. Many owners opt to remove the active air dam entirely to prevent future failures. Doing this requires an electronic bypass plug. This small module plugs directly into the factory wiring harness where the air dam used to connect. It tricks the computer into thinking a fully functioning air dam is still present, permanently eliminating the U0284 code and keeping the truck out of limp mode.